Hi folks, welcome to a new video. Jacopo from Dokin here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the DATEDIF function in Google Sheets to calculate the difference between two dates. And I'm going to take an example here. I have an employee's payroll and I want to calculate the seniority of each employee at the end of every month of my payroll. So I'm going to start by calculating first their seniority in months. So I'm entering the DATEDIF function, and the first thing to do is to select a start date. So the start date is going to be their hiring date, and I then have to choose the end date. So in this case, I'm going to take the end of each month of the payroll, and I'm then going to lock this because it's the item that I'm going to change for every employee. And finally, I have to choose a unit. So if I want to return months in terms of difference, I have to enter M. I'm gonna click OK, and I have it auto-filled for every other employee, and I have now my seniority in terms of months, whole months. That's a particular thing of this function, meaning that it's only gonna calculate 1 month. It's only gonna count 1 month if a whole the whole length of the month has elapsed. So, for example, if I'm at the 28th of March, it's not going to calculate the whole month of March as a difference. So I need to have passed the whole month. And it's the same also if I calculate the difference in days or in years. So it only calculates whole numbers. So in this case, I've entered these, so I have not months anymore, but days. So it's very simple, super useful when you want to have this difference between different dates. And let me know what you think in the comments. Is it something that you are already using or something that you count on using right now? Follow for more tips. We share new Google Sheets tips every week. And if you don't know what to do at Dokin, go check out our website, dokin.co. We allow you to sync data from different applications into your spreadsheets, your slides, and your docs. Thank you.